Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so safe mode will work. Sign in with an administrator account and save any open files. Once done, close apps to prevent data loss, then open the Start menu and click Settings, the gear icon. You do this because safe mode restarts Windows with minimal drivers, and having admin access and a clean session avoids permission or file lock problems. Make sure Windows is responsive. If not, use the Power menu from the sign-in screen instead. You continue by going to Update and Security, then Recovery. This accesses Windows recovery controls. Once in Recovery, click Restart Now under Advanced Startup so Windows reboots into a special menu. After the reboot, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Startup Settings. This sequence exposes safe mode choices because Windows needs to change boot parameters before loading drivers. Make sure to note any prompts. They explain each option. You'll reach a numbered list. You finish by selecting a safe mode option from the Startup Settings list. Press 4 for Standard Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with Networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Once selected, Windows restarts into the minimal environment. Log in using your account to perform diagnostics or uninstall drivers. If Windows won't boot into safe mode, make sure to try automatic repair from Troubleshoot or use a bootable recovery USB. These steps reset startup files and often fix issues preventing safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.